We solve 5 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 2. Okay, let's solve this. This is a very interesting question. Only 1% get this right. So 5 to the power of 0 equals 5. No, this is wrong. Why? The rule is any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 equals 1. So 5 to the power of 0 equals 1. The rule is a to the power of 0 equals 1. As long as a is not equal to 0. So 5 to the power of 0 equals 1 plus 4 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 2. Now 1 plus 4 to the power of 1. Any number raised to the power of 1 is equal to the number itself. Mathematically, this identity is expressed as a to the power of 1 equals a, where a is any real or complex number. So 4 to the power of 1 equals 4 times 3 to the power of 2. Now 1 plus 4 times 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9. Right? Now multiplication must be done before addition. So 1 plus 4 times 9 equals 36. Now 1 plus 36 equals 37.